What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be walking you through a 2012 Chevy Camaro oil change. These are some of the things you're going to need to fully complete this job, so take some time, pause the video, and read this thoroughly. I did forget to add in the skill level, but as every oil change, I give it a 1 out of 10. Alright guys, let's start this repair by opening the hood and removing the oil cap. Make sure you drain the right pan. There is an oil pan and a trans pan. The trans pan is located towards the rear of the car, the oil pan is in the front. Next, use your 13mm socket or wrench to loosen the drain plug. Once the drain plug is loosened, I recommend removing it by hand and letting all the oil drain out. While the oil is draining, now is a good time to clean off your drain plug and inspect it for any nicks or tears in the seal. When all the oil is drained out, reinstall the drain plug. I recommend threading it in by hand first before tightening it down with your ratchet or your wrench. When the drain plug's tight, shoot everything down with a can of brake clean and clean off all that oil residue that came out of the oil pan. Next, we'll remove the oil filter. In this video, it is conveniently blue, so it is easier to see. Most oil filters can come off by hand, but if it can't come off by hand, I recommend using a cloth type remover or an oil filter cap remover. If you guys don't have one, I'll put a link in the description below. Once the filter is loose, drain, then remove. When reinstalling the new oil filter, remember to always lube up the O-ring with old oil. Once lubed, reinstall the oil filter by hand and make sure it is tight. Once again, take a can of brake clean and clean off all that oil residues to ensure that we don't mistake it in the future for a leak. Make your way to the top of the car and we'll fill up the oil. This is the oil capacity. Put a funnel where your oil cap was removed and fill your 5.5 quarts of 5W30 through there. In this video, I'm using the Liable Corporation multi-purpose app funnel. It comes with a bunch of adapters specifically made for certain cars to allow spill-free filling when filling up your oil. Reinstall oil cap, but don't leave just yet, we still have to reset the light. To reset the maintenance light on this car, there is two ways. The first way is to put the car into on position and fully depress the pedal 3 times within 5 seconds and turn the car off. The second way to reset the maintenance light is to press the option button on the DIC until the engine oil monitor appears on the DIC screen. Hold and press the set reset button to reset the system. The next screen should indicate that the oil change soon message has been reset. If you follow these instructions, your dash should read 100% oil life remaining. Congratulations guys, you now know how to do an oil change on a 2012 Chevrolet Camaro. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and good luck on your job. If you guys liked or enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more how to and tool review videos.